Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your interests in the Deckee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the U button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the account button. And then click on the My Interests button. And here you can set your preferences so that the application will can suggest things according to that. So if you're interested in fishing or boating, you can just click on the white circle next to them. And if you're done, just click on the save button. And your interests are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.